Thank you for being with us on Real Estate in the Lowcountry. With me now is Stephen Vega, and he is with Lowcountry Pavers. Good to see you.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Yeah, so I've mentioned a couple of times on the show today, we've got pollen on the cars out there.
Yep.
So that means we are headed into spring, sure sign.
Absolutely.
Yep, and we've got some sunshine out there today too. So, you know, it's a great time to think about your outdoor living space. And
it is.
Of course, you guys have a lot to offer to the outdoor living space. So where should we start? We want to talk with our patios, pool decks, fire pits. Like we're going to cover it all. Where would you like 100%. To start?
So outdoor living is our specialty, right? We're a local manufacturer. We make concrete pavers for the things you just said, the patios, the pool decks, the fire features. So people move to this area, you know, they move in, they build a house, they buy a house, and they want to enjoy the outdoors. So that's what we try to help them accomplish, is build them or provide products that they can build a beautiful space that they can enjoy. So yeah, heading into the spring, take a look outside. If you're not happy with it, that's where we can come in, you know, so absolutely.
Well, so let's talk, we'll just kind of break it into little pieces here, but let's talk first about patios.
Okay.
You know, I think a lot of times, especially if it's an older home, you're going to have maybe a slab out there, maybe some pebbles, I don't, you know, whatever. Or even a deck, maybe. But they, you know, I want something that's a little more of a permanent solution, that's going to be a little
tangible.
more, and longer wearing. So talk to us about what you would offer for that.
Absolutely. So if you're looking outside, you have an old deck that's rotted or a cracked concrete pad, we offer a number of products. We have over a dozen styles, 17 color options that you could use in that space. And then beyond that, we offer estimates as far as getting you connected to the qualified contractors. That's what we bring to the table. If you call us for a quote, we're gonna give you 5 to 7 referrals as far as these are quality contractors that you can obtain a quote to tear that deck up, build a beautiful paver patio, outdoor kitchen, a fire pit. You know, all these features, those contractors can bring that to life for you using our products.
And let's talk a little bit about why a paver is better than having a deck, better than having a concrete slab, because there really are some advantages to that for your yard and for your space.
100%. Durability, that's the first thing that comes to mind. Concrete cracks, pavers don't. Wood rots, we're a very humid climate, so over time that wood is gonna break down. So a concrete paver gives you this robust options of multiple styles, multiple colors, and it's long lasting. We offer a lifetime warranty. Your products are going to last a lifetime. So very much a useful product in bringing your outdoor vision to life.
Lifetime warranty is something you don't hear a lot.
Not very frequently,
But that's pretty great.
Yeah.
And you know, obviously another thing we have a lot of down here is pools, or maybe if somebody's, you know, purchased a home that doesn't have a pool, they might be thinking about building one.
Of course.
So talk to us about the space that surrounds that, because obviously there's different options there as well.
There
you
are.
want to make the best choice for that.
So similar to concrete pads that are existing, a lot of these pools are going to be remodeled. They're a little older. There might be some cracks in the bullnose coping or in the deck itself. We make products that can actually be overlaid those. So we make 3 or 4 different paver styles in 16 plus color options. You can actually put those pavers down over top that existing deck. So what that's going to do is that's going to save you money on the renovation, and it's also going to give you a better, longer lasting product, right? So that's, a lot of people don't realize, if you have an existing concrete pad, we can make you a product that can go right over the top of it.
And so that's going to save costs also in the long run, because you don't have to demo that pad that's already sitting there.
Absolutely. So a lot of the costs in a job like that is in that demo and that base prep. So you're going to have to bring in a ton of base. You're going to have to tear out a bunch of concrete. Then you have to take that concrete somewhere. Or that wood deck. Same principle. Our products can go over the existing concrete already that's there and give you a beautiful finished pool deck or a beautiful finished overlay patio. Yeah, that is amazing. And talk to us about, it gets a little bit hot here in the summer, just, you know, occasionally. A little bit.
And so how do you have something that's a product specifically for around a pool deck that's going to keep it cool?
We do, yes. So we make, part of our color options, we have 3 primary color options. We have traditional color line, those are 6 or 7 different colors. Those are made with gray cement. They tend to be a little bit darker. And we have our coastal color line. These are built with white cement, so they're a little cooler, a little brighter, more reflective. But then we have our cool pool color selection. This color line is specifically built for pool decks. It's brighter, more reflective, stays a little cooler to the touch. We live in the South, like you said, it gets very hot.
Yeah.
Concrete gets hot. So these pavers do an excellent job of reflecting more of that sunlight so they stay cooler to the touch.
And so it's cooler for us and cooler for our four-legged furry friends as well.
Right, yeah. Vacation homes especially, that's a big push, making sure the deck is usable year round. We don't want to get it too hot. We want people to enjoy their space.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
it's a great option. Yeah.
Well, Stephen, it's always interesting to talk to you. What great options you have available.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here today to share with us.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah.